In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change source branch in Vercel. If you want your production site to build from a different Git branch, maybe you use develop for final QA or a dedicated production branch. Vercel makes this easy through your project settings. Here's how to update it safely and confidently. First, log into your Vercel dashboard and open the project you want to modify. Make sure you are in the correct team or scope if you use multiple organizations so you don't accidentally change the wrong project. Next, head to the left side and click the Settings tab. This is where all project-level configuration lives. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry, Vercel updates the UI occasionally. But the option you need is still nearby. In the left sidebar, select Environments. This section controls how your project deploys across development, preview, and production. If you are using an older UI, the option might appear under a Git section instead. The functionality is the same. In the Environments view, locate the production area. You'll see a field labeled Branch Tracking. This shows the branch Vercel is currently watching for production deployments, typically main. Think of this as the source of truth for your live site. Whenever this branch receives a new commit, Vercel builds and promotes that deployment to production. Now update the branch tracking field with the new branch you want to use, such as develop or production. You might see a drop-down with available branches. If not, simply type the branch name exactly as it appears in your repository. Make sure the branch already exists in your Git provider and that you have the necessary permissions. Branch names are case-sensitive, and typos will prevent deployments from triggering. When you are ready, click Save. From this point on, any push to the branch you selected will trigger a new production deployment. Your previously created deployments remain accessible in the Vercel dashboard for reference or rollbacks. But the production alias will now follow the latest successful build from the new branch. This change affects only the production environment. Your preview deployments and development behavior remain as they were unless you modify those settings separately. That's it. Thanks for watching.